You searched how to buy shares of Finwise Bancorp, and this video shows the basic steps. Finwise Bancorp is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FINW, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, most platforms require account verification, usually with a government ID, and you must add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker FINW to locate Finwise Bancorp. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches FINW to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the right asset. Check that the ticker reads FINW and that the exchange is NASDAQ. Click the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to use, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the example shown.